So why? Because it makes it easier for us to put our flowers or why does this keep doing this? Let me see.
Oh, hello my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Foil Design and Event. And today we are going to be creating a lovely anniversary gift for a client. Sorry about that. We needed to let that print out. It's still kind of loud. But anyway, he had called me and he wanted to do, this was his 15-year anniversary, and he wanted to do an arrangement. So we are going to go and watch a tutorial on how I created this lovely arrangement with, what was it called? Awesome Anniversary, but he made a change. He put hydrangeas instead of the Casablanca lilies. And let's go and make it now. See you in a second.
And today we are going to make one of the flowers that are listed on Floral next. I think it's called Amazing Anniversary or something like that. I'm not very sure, but I'll show you what I'm doing, what's supposed to be done, and what we'll be doing today. The client, he said that it's a gentleman who's purchasing this. He said his wife, when they got married, her flower was hydrangea, so he wanted, instead of the lilies that were in it, we're going to put hydrangea. So let me go ahead. I'm going to cut this. Let me see. Now, okay. So anyway, I have our floral, I have our water inside of our lovely vase. So all these flowers I got from Trader Joe. These are our Trader Joe flowers because I told you guys I love them. They really inexpensive price. So I'm gonna take this right here so I don't have to use any. I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm going to pour all this into the water. Now that our water is hydrated, or not hydrated, is ready for, or seasoned, so we're going to make our tic-tac-toe, and we do our tic-tac-toe. Why? Because it makes it easier for us to put our flowers, or why does this keep doing this? Let me see. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so we are going to use our tic-tac-toe and create our tic-tac-toe. Kenzie, you can't bump the... Ooh, I hope, you know what? I should have did the half. Because when I'm thinking about it, okay, anyway, so I'm going to cut this down the center and make it just a little bit smaller. Because now think about it, I got a lot of flowers. It's the best, so yeah, I got a lot of flowers. Okay, so I'm going to start with the, excuse me, the other one like this, Kenzie.
Right here.
I'm going to start with the stock to make as my base. I'm going to do So I'm gonna look at, so I want about this height. Put one right here, and I'm gonna take this off up to 4 corners. 1, 2, 3. It's just a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, and we did this on my 4 corners like so. Then what I'm going to come in is I'm going to do these just a little bit smaller on the, a little bit shorter on the other. You know what, I'm gonna come in with these later. I think I'm gonna just do my base with that. Then I'm going to take my hydrangea and put these to the side. And I'm gonna take my hydrangea and I'm gonna scatter this three ways. So I think I'm gonna put one. Remember, cut at a diagonal. I'm going to cut one and put one right here. I'm going to put one right here. Forget it. Hers is tomorrow. Hers is tomorrow on the 14th. Today's was kindergarten through, I think, 2nd or 3rd grade. Okay, then I'm gonna put one more right about. So you guys, I'm going back around and adding tape around the bottom so that it stays a little bit more secure. I should have did this when I started, but my tape is coming up. Okay, so I'm going to stack 1, 2, and I'm going to kind of put this one sorry you guys, we're not getting a good picture because you guys can't see everything. Are you guys seeing everything? I hope you can. So you guys saw me do the tic-tac-toe, right? Then you guys see me do, 1 second. Okay, hopefully this is a better view than what we had before because I couldn't see what was going on. So anyway, we have the one in the middle, we have the 4 corners, and then we did the different heights on the hydrangea, right? So now we're gonna come in with these beautiful pink Gerber daisies. And I am going to put the Gerbers, we'll put one right here. I'm gonna put one up here. Let's see. I think I'm gonna just kind of cut this a little bit shorter. Then I'm gonna put one on the other side. Okay. We have that right there. Then I'm gonna put a Gerber right, let's do right in the front, right here. Let's put another Gerber directly on this side, right there. Let's see. And I'm gonna have this one come out. Which one come out? If you guys see, I'm gonna move this. I want this one to go a little bit more diagonal, and I'm gonna put this one right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put in the roses, and I'm gonna see what other spots I need to put stuff in. So I got these beautiful garden roses. They are gorgeous. Can't get through this little spot, but I'll try.
You're fine. I can read it.
Okay. You don't need to take a picture? You're okay?
It'll be fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course. Have a good one.
You too. Okay, you guys. Then I'm gonna put one right here. Put one right there. I think I'm gonna stick. I'm gonna pull it out just a little bit because it is getting kind of tight with everything. Take off some of these bed, and then I hope you guys can see. I don't have a good angle with everything. I'm going to just speed through this and just put, because we're not getting a good look at this. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is how it is looking. Very, very pretty. And so all I'm gonna do is take my green and my clippies, and I'm just going to green the bottom. So there she is. Oh, nice and lovely. All right, don't forget you guys to like and subscribe. This video might be kind of hard to watch because at first Kenzie was trying to do it and then it was a bunch of a mess. So I have to be able to look and see what I'm doing. So hopefully we can get something out of this. If not, I'm sorry. Don't forget, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hehehe